We are MDL Powerup Limited, supplying agricultural machinery since 2005. Let us show you our extra long reach tractor mounted hedge trimmer, designed for compact tractors 18 horsepower and upwards. It's simple to hook up and uses its own independent hydraulic system driven from the tractor's PTO. Perfect for maintaining typical hedgerows, giving a super neat and tidy finish. It's also great for tackling any overgrown vegetation such as weed patches and areas of thick grass. Operated by a lever block mounted in the cab, control is simple and intuitive. With a horizontal reach of over 4.5 metres and a vertical reach of almost 5 metres, accessibility is excellent. Heavy-duty serrated blades are fitted as standard, which are individually replaceable, and a complete range of spares are available from stock, which can be delivered to you quickly. These machines are fully assembled in our Cumbrian workshops and supplied filled with oil and fully tested before leaving us to ensure your machine arrives in perfect condition, ready for action. Technical support is always on hand, and we also include a 3-year parts warranty for complete peace of mind. Rugged, versatile, and incredibly easy to operate. Order yours today at mdlpowerup.com.